Hello and welcome back to another video from ProVail Tech. My name is Derek and today we'll be hopping into Datto RMM, specifically taking a look at the security best practices around device and agent security. We go ahead and hop right in here. We'll take a look right off with device approval. So device approval is also known as sandboxing. This will allow you to enable device approval to ensure only authorized devices connect to your account. With this setting enabled, new devices added to a Datto RMM site will not be able to run jobs, download components, or accept policies unless explicitly approved by an account administrator. Additionally, looking at agent encryption, we can see that you can keep a close eye on those devices that are requiring a approval. Under the new UI, those will be under devices and then approval required. And you can scrutinize any devices with key mismatches. So in the same way in this new UI, the same area where agent approvals are managed, agents with an incorrect or missing encryption key are also displayed. So for each agent installation, Datto RMM generates an encryption key and exchanges it with the platform. In cases where the agent's submitted key differs from the key the platform expects to receive or is missing, a mismatch will occur. So a key change may indicate a legitimate reinstallation of the agent or an attempt by an attacker to masquerade one device as another. Additionally, taking a look at agent IP address restriction. So consider locking down your account to only provide login access to approved IPs for the agent browser. You can restrict access to the agent browser to certain IPs. Let's also take a look at malware protection. So ensure that all your devices have a form of malware protection active and use filters and monitors to detect devices with problematic protection status. So Datto RMM works with many antivirus solutions out of the box to provide an at-a-glance view of malware protection status. In addition to communicating natively with a selection of antivirus suites, Datto RMM on a Windows device will attempt to work with the operating system to gather data, but this is not possible. The data points gathered are: is the product running? Is the product up to date? Which can be used to draw an accurate diagram of device antivirus health. Also with the Windows update status, aka patch management. So you can utilize Datto RMM patch management to push updates to systems and use filters to surface devices requiring additional assistance in staying up to date. Datto RMM works with Windows to report issues with the Windows Update service immediately. Furthermore, Datto RMM's robust patch management core is fully compatible with Windows 11 and will report back any issues installing updates using the same interface. Data gathered via Datto RMM is easily parsed and understood. Datto RMM's component engine can also be used to push Windows 11 quality updates. In that same regard, we have software updates. So software updates, this will be utilizing the software management to ensure critical internet-connected apps installed on endpoints are kept up to date seamlessly. Datto RMM's software management feature can be used to push a selection of programs to Windows and Mac OS endpoints as soon as updates to them are made available by the manufacturer. With Datto RMM, endpoints can be assured to always be running the latest version of the software. Looking at security audit here, you can run the security audit component built in on Datto RMM on Windows systems to ascertain their security health. Datto RMM offers a security audit component in the COM store for Windows systems that can be run to provide an easily digestible checklist showing security issues. And finally here, we have agent policies. So you can configure agent policies on your device to establish boundaries for the agent. Agent policies can be used to configure how much control Datto RMM users are given over endpoints. And unlike security levels, which are applied at the user level, agent policies operate at the policy level, meaning they operate independently of user security and guaranteeing a device will respond in a certain manner. You can use an agent policy to configure how much control users remoting into a device receive, and whether these devices can receive jobs or other features. This can be helpful for devices that should never run automated jobs or receive remote support. And that's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We hope this was helpful. Please feel free to like and subscribe and take a look at our channel for anything else we have here, and reach out to ProVail Tech for all things tech related. Thank you and have a great day.